2 medical workers are dead and one has been hospitalized after falling from hospital windows in the span of 2 weeks under unknown circumstances, the Moscow Times reported.
Russian law enforcement is investigating the 3 separate incidents, which have prompted questions and speculation on the treatment of frontline healthcare workers amid the coronavirus pandemic.
Alexander Shulpov, 37, a paramedic in the city of Voronezh, is in critical condition after suffering from a skull fracture as a result of a fall out of a second-floor window. The Moscow Times reported Shulpov fell from the window of the hospital where he was being treated for coronavirus.
In an April 22 video, Shulpov's colleague Alexander Kosiakin posted a video of Shulpov claiming that he was forced to continue working at the hospital in spite of his COVID-19 diagnosis. 3 days later, Shulpov withdrew his claims, saying he was overwhelmed by emotions at the time of the video.
Shulpov is in an intensive care unit, as far as I know, in a serious condition. Last time I spoke to him was on the 30th of April. We checked in with each other, Kosiakin told CNN in an interview. He felt fine, he was getting ready to get discharged from the hospital, and all of a sudden this happened.
It's not clear why and what for, so many questions that I don't even have the answer to, Kosiakin added.
Last Friday, Yelena Nepomnyashaya, the interim head doctor at a hospital in Krasnoyarsk, succumbed to her injuries following a fall from the 5th floor on April 25, according to a Fox News report.
Nepomnyashaya reportedly fell out of the window after a meeting with regional health officials to discuss turning the hospital where she worked into a coronavirus care facility.
However, Nepomnyashaya had said there were PPE shortages and the staff was unprepared, leading to her to oppose changing the hospital into a coronavirus care facility.
The regional department of the health ministry denied her allegations in a statement to CNN, adding that the hospital is in reserve for coronavirus patients and its staff has been trained and equipped, CNN reported.
Natalia Lebedeva, who served as chief of emergency medical service at Star City, a cosmonaut training center outside Moscow, was being treated for suspected coronavirus, before she died after a fall from the hospital where she was being treated.